Midnight air, your perfume on my shirt. Soft eyes telling me your heart comes first. No rush tonight, let the feeling breathe. Every moment tastes like a dream to me. Yeah. You lean closer while the records play. Window open, hearing rain outside the place. Your fingertips tracing circles on my hand, like you already know me better than I am. Candles flicker while we move so slow. Your smile shining brighter than the city glow. And when you whisper low against my skin, I swear that's where heaven begins. No games, no hiding emotions tonight. You make every broken piece feel right. I never believed in destiny before. Then your love walked through my door. Hold me like the night won't end. Love me like my soul's your best friend. Every kiss pulling me deeper inside, where peace and passion collide. Your heartbeat sounds like a melody. Every touch brings me clarity. If love was made for two, then I was made for you. Late drives underneath the boulevard lights, talking about dreams till the morning arrives. You see the fears that I never confessed. Do you love me in my best and worst? Ocean breeze while your hair blows free. That little smile still does something to me. And when the whole world feels too loud, your arms are where I calm down. Nobody else can move me this way. You turn dark skies into better days. This connection deeper than desire. You're the spark and the fire. Even silence feels beautiful with you. No need to force what's naturally true. Two hearts dancing without a sound, lost in the love we finally found. Slow wine beside the bedroom light, your shadow moving so hypnotized. Soft lips and sweet conversation. Pure love, pure temptation. Hold me like the night won't end. Love me like my soul's your best friend. Every kiss pulling me deeper inside, where peace and passion collide. Your heartbeat sounds like a melody. Every touch brings me clarity. If love was made for two, then I was made for you. Morning sun falling across your face. Still don't wanna leave this place. If forever feels this smooth, I only want forever with you. Soft thunder outside, candles burning low. Your body next to mine, moving slow. No distractions, no noise tonight. Just your love and the city lights. You walk in wearing my favorite shade, and suddenly all my worries fade. The way you smile should be illegal. Got me feeling something deeper than physical. Your laughter floating through the room, like flowers opening up in bloom. And every second spent with you feels like a dream I never knew. No empty words, no temporary thrills, just real emotion that my heart can feel. You pull me close and calm my soul, like your love makes me whole. Baby, stay right here with me. You're my sweetest melody. Every touch feels heavenly, like love was written perfectly. Moonlight falling on your skin, I never wanna let this end. If hearts could speak without a sound, mine would still call your name out loud. Late night driving with your hand in mine, windows down while the stars all shine. You tell me secrets you never said before, and I just fall for you more and more. Your kiss is slow like an old love song. Somehow with you I always belong. No pretending when we lock eyes, only truth underneath the skies. When the world gets cold and rough, your gentle love is more than enough. You bring peace into my chaos and turn simple moments into magic for us. Dance with me across across the floor, like we've known this love before. No fear living in this room, only passion softly blooming. Your perfume still lingering in the air. Fingers running softly through my hair. Slow wine till the sunrise shows. That's the kind of love I chose. Baby, stay right here with me. You're my sweetest melody. Every touch feels heavenly, like love was written perfectly. Moonlight falling on your skin, I never wanna let this end. If hearts could speak without a sound, mine would still call your name out loud. Morning light touching your eyes, still got scars inside my mind. One night with you feels so timeless, like forever was designed for this. Slow rhythm, slow rhythm, warm nights, yeah. Your love got me weightless tonight. Golden light falling across your face. I lose my thoughts every time you gaze at me, like I'm the only one. Like the moon waits for the rising sun. Your voice sounds soft like vinyl spins. Pull me closer, let the night begin. No fast moves, let the feeling grow. Real love takes time and baby it shows. Every heartbeat matching the baseline, your body moving perfectly with mine. And when your fingers run down my chest, that's when my restless soul can rest. No temporary fire burning out, this kind of love leaves no doubt. You and me got something rare, a quiet kind of magic in the air. Baby, don't let go tonight. Hold me underneath the neon lights. Every kiss feels so brand new, like my whole world begins with you. Slow dancing till the morning comes, two hearts moving just as one. If love could live inside a song, then this feeling would play all night long. Ocean breeze through the balcony door, we keep finding reasons to love more. Talking softly while the city sleeps, sharing secrets that we always keep. You know my fears without a word, still you stay, and that's what hurts. In the sweetest way I've ever known, you make my guarded heart feel home. Your silhouette under midnight blue, still the prettiest thing I ever viewed. No diamond shining like your eyes, no paradise feels this alive. Lay beside me, listen to the rain, wash away every bit of pain. No pressure, no need to pretend, I choose your love again and again. Slow wine in the kitchen light, barefoot dancing after midnight. Your laughter echoing through the room, turning every shadow into blue. Baby, don't let go tonight. Hold me underneath the neon lights. Every kiss feels so brand new, like my whole world begins with you. Slow dancing till the morning comes, two hearts moving just as one. If love could live inside a song, then this feeling would play all night long. And when the sunrise paints the sky, I still want you by my side. One touch from you feels so endless, like love was always meant for this. Oh yeah, late night energy, only you and me tonight. street lights glowing through the window pane. Your shadow dancing slowly in the rain. That look in your eyes pulls me in deep, like you know every promise I can't keep. Your perfume lingering on my skin. One touch and my heartbeat spins. We don't need words to understand. Love speaks louder through your hands. Every moment feels cinematic. Your body language automatic. And when you pull me to your side, the whole world fades with the tide. No fear living in this room tonight. Only passion wrapped in candlelight. You calm every storm inside my chest. Baby, your love feels the best. Wine slow, don't let the feeling fade. Your love got me floating in a different space. Every kiss sweeter than before. Got me wanting you more and more. Hold tight while the bassline plays. We could disappear for days and days. Forever starts somewhere. Then I already found it here. Then I already found it here. Yeah. Moonlight resting softly on your thighs. I see forever hidden in your eyes. No perfect words could explain how your touch runs through my veins. Lay drives with your feet on the dash, laughing while the radio plays back. Old love songs mixed with the night air. Nothing else in this world compares. You know the dark parts of my soul. Still somehow you make me feel whole. That kind of love can't be replaced. It's written all across your face. Dance closer, let your heartbeat talk. No destination when we take this walk. Just two souls caught in a tide with nowhere else to hide. Kitchen floor at 3 a.m. Slow spins while you pull me in. Your lips tasting sweet like wine. Every second freezes time. Wine slow, don't let the feeling fade. Your love got me floating in a different space. Every kiss sweeter than before. Got me wanting you more and more. Hold tight while the bassline plays. We could disappear for days and days. Forever starts somewhere. Then I already found it here. Morning light touching your skin. Still don't want this night to end. One love, one flame, one truth. All I ever need is you. Yeah. Slow motion love tonight. Just stay close to me. Blue light shining from the stereo. Your body swaying to the tempo. Every little move pulls me near. Like your love is all I wanna hear. You laugh softly while you sip red wine. I swear the stars align this time. No fake energy, no disguise. I see forever in your eyes. Your fingertips running through my hair, sending chills everywhere. And every second that we touch makes me crave your love too much. No pressure when we're alone. You turn this place into a home. Even silence feels complete when your heartbeat matches mine with the beat. Come closer, don't drift away. To love you every day. Moonlight dancing on your skin. Pull me deeper in again. Slow wine while the speakers play. Let the rhythm carry us away. If love had a perfect view, it would probably look like you. Late nights, talking on the rooftop side, watching city lights and passing tides. You tell me dreams you never shared, and I can tell how much you care. No distance when you hold me tight. Everything wrong starts feeling right. Your kisses cure the darkest moods, like sunshine breaking through the blue. And when the morning starts to rise, I still get lost inside your eyes. No temporary chemistry. This feels deeper than destiny. Stay away. keep moving on. No need to rush what feels so true. My favorite place is next to you. Barefoot dancing across the floor, your shadow making me want more. Sweet whispers mixed with the bass, heaven written all over your face. Come closer, don't drift away. I could love you every day. Moonlight dancing on your skin, pull me deeper in again. Slow wine while the speakers play, let the rhythm carry us away. If love had a perfect view, it would probably look like you. And when the night finally fades, I still remember how you taste. Soft love, warm touch, sweet truth. Every road keeps leading back to you.
Yeah. Only your love on my mind tonight. Slow vibes, warm feelings. Yeah.
Your silhouette under amber lights makes the whole room come alive. You move slowly while the record spins, and suddenly my breathing changes again. Soft hands resting on my neck, every touch leaves an effect. No need to say too much tonight, your eyes already say it right. We got that energy nobody can fake, sweet like memories we never wanna break. And when you pull me to your chest, that's when my heartbeat feels its best. No confusion when you're near, everything suddenly feels clear. Love this pure is hard to find, that's why I keep you on my mind. Turn up the love, don't slow it down. Your kisses got me spinning round. Every little thing you do feels like magic breaking through. Hold me close beneath the stars, let me feel your heart on ours. If this night could last forever, I will stay with you forever. Late night texting while the city sleeps, talking about secrets we both keep. Your honesty cuts through my fears and somehow dries invisible tears. Ocean waves and midnight skies reflecting softly in your eyes. You make ordinary moments glow like love scenes moving in slow-mo. No matter where this life may go, I know your soul feels like home. And every time you say my name, it lights a fire like a flame. Dance with me till sunrise comes, two lost hearts becoming one. No pretending, no disguise, only truth inside your eyes. Your lipstick stain on my glass, moments I wish could always last. Slow rhythm shaking through the floor, still got me wanting more and more. Turn up the love, don't slow it down. Your kisses got me spinning round. Every little thing you do feels like magic breaking through. Hold me close beneath the stars, let me feel your heart on ours. If this night could last forever, I would stay with you forever. Morning light touching the bed, still replaying the words you said. One real love, one deep connection. You became my favorite direction.
Yeah. Tonight feels different. Your love in the air like music.
Soft rain tapping on the rooftop now. You pull me in without the sound. Your eyes glowing underneath the dark. like you already memorized my heart. Velvet nights and your sweet perfume, turning this place into paradise room. Every slow step closer to me feels like where I'm supposed to be. No pressure when you hold my face, I just melt into your embrace. And every kiss stays on my mind, like a favorite scene, frozen in time. You calm the noise inside my head, turn lonely nights to warmth instead. Nothing fake when we connect, only love and deep respect. Break out the feelings, let them show. Slow dancing while the speakers glow. Your love moves through me naturally, like waves touching the sea. Stay close while the night drifts by, moonlight shining in your eyes. If heaven ever touched the earth, I think it happened when you were born. Long drives with your hand on my knee, talking about who we wanna be. No need for diamonds or fancy things, your genuine love means everything. Your laughter echoing through the room makes every dark emotion bloom. And when you lean your head on me, that's the safest place I've ever been. We got a rhythm, smooth and slow, the kind of vibe real lovers know. No temporary chemistry, just pure emotional energy. Come nearer, don't say a word, your heart beats all I wanna hear. Every second wrapped in desire, soft affection mixed with fire. Their skin glowing in candlelight, your silhouette got me hypnotized. Slow wine while the bassline hums, two hearts beating as break out the feelings, let them show. Slow dancing while the speakers glow. Your love moves through me naturally, like waves touching the sea. Stay close while the night drifts by, moonlight shining in your eyes. If heaven ever touched the earth, I think it happened when you were born. Sunrise creeping through the blinds, still got your scent stuck in my mind. One deep love, one real connection. You became my favorite obsession.
Yeah. One touch and your vibe change. Late night love in slow motion.
Your reflection dancing in the mirror light got me losing focus every single night. Soft lips speaking secrets to my soul, the kind of love that makes a broken heart feel whole.
Your fingers tracing circles on my chest,
every moment with you feels the best. No outside noise when you're around, only our heartbeat making sound.
you move slowly when the rhythm drops,
and time itself almost stops. Every glance pulling me deeper in, like loving you is my favorite sin.
No games hiding behind your smile,
you make forever feel worthwhile.
every kiss honest and true, I keep falling into you.
I'm crazy over you tonight. Love feels sweeter than paradise. Slow wine under neon skies, only passion in your eyes. Hold me till the sunrise shows, don't let this feeling go. If love could stay this way forever,
I'd leave your side never.
late phone calls when the world is asleep, talking about promises we wanna keep. Your voice soft like a melody, turning lonely nights into harmony.
Ocean breeze while we walk the shore, every day I need you more.
You know my fears without me speaking, still your love keeps my spirit healing.
No temporary spark between us now,
This kind of connection too strong to doubt. You bring peace into my storm, like your arms are made to keep me warm. Dance closer while the speakers play, let the music carry us away. No pretending in this room tonight, only real love holding us tight. Barefoot steps across the floor, your silhouette makes me want more. Sweet red wine and candle flames, I whisper softly your name. your side, never. Morning light across your skin. Still wishing this night could begin again. One true love, one deep emotion. You keep my heart in motion.
Your love got the room feeling warmer tonight. Slow rhythm, soft kisses. Red lights glowing all across your face. You move like poetry wrapped in grace. Every little smile pulls me near, like your love is all I need to hear. Your touch, softer than the midnight breeze, still somehow brings me to my knees. No rush when we lock our eyes. We let the whole world pass us by. Hey, your perfume floating through the air, mixed with the feeling that you truly care. And every second next to you feels too perfect to be true. No fear living inside this room, only affection blooming smooth. You turn my restless nights around into the safest love I found. My heart stays here with you tonight, wrapped inside your arms so tight. Every kiss feels warm and slow, like the purest love I know. Dance close by the baseline rose. You bring healing to my soul. If forever feels like this, then forever is your kiss. Then forever is your kiss. Yeah, long walks underneath summer skies, street lights reflecting in your eyes. It's a dream you hide away, and I just wanna hear you all day. Your laughter's sweeter than all love songs. With you is where my spirit belongs. Even silence feels complete when our heartbeats share the beat. No distance when you hold my hand. You always somehow understand the parts of me I never show. Still you stay and love me close. Come near, I don't say goodbye. Stay tangled in these midnight vibes. No pretending when we touch. I think I love you way too much. Kitchen dancing at 2 a.m. Slow spins while you pull me in. Moonlight resting on your skin, making me fall again. And my heart stays here with you tonight, wrapped inside your arms so tight. Every kiss feels warm and slow, like the purest love I know. Dance close by the baseline road. You bring healing to my soul. If forever feels like this, then forever is your kiss. Morning sunlight through the blinds. Still got your voice inside my mind. One sweet love, one true connection. You became my favorite blessing. Yeah. Soft night, real love, only you and me again. Yeah. City quiet but your eyes still shine. Pull me closer like you read my mind. Every touch feels calm and true, like I was always meant for you. No loud words, just a steady vibe. You heal every storm inside, and when you're smiling that way, all my doubts just fade away. Your presence warmer than the night air, makes me forget every single care. And every second I hold you tight, feels like everything's alright. No distance, no goodbye, only truth when you and I collide. You're the peace I never knew, now I can't stop running to you.
out your name.
Late drives with your hand in mine, talking till we lose our time. Every secret you confess makes me love you even more, I guess.
No pretending in your arms, you protect me from all harm. Even silence feels so right when you're here with me tonight. You're my calm in every wave, the love I didn't know I craved. And every step we take as one feels like life has just begun.
Stay right here, don't disappear.
I need your love,
I need you near.
every heartbeat says it's true. I was made for loving you. Barefoot walking on the floor, your touch makes me want more. Slow wine, no wine, no rush tonight.
Everything just feels so right.
I never left your side, my love. You're everything I'm thinking of. Slow dancing under moonlight skies, lost deep inside your eyes. Hold me close, don't let me go. You're the only love I know. If this feeling stays the same, I'll keep calling out your name. Morning light, you still here with me. That's my favorite reality. One deep love, one real connection. You're my sweetest direction.
Yeah. Late night frequency,
Just you and me in this vibe.
soft glow bouncing off your skin.
The room gets warmer when you walk in. No words needed, I already know. Your love moving in a steady flow. You're leaning close, I feel your breath. Like time itself forgets its steps. Every glance pulls me under slow, deeper than I ever thought I'd go.
Your laugh cuts through my heavy mind,
Turning every doubt so kind. And when you touch me, I swear it's real. Like you know exactly how I feel.
no rush, no pretending here. Only love that feels sincere.
You're the calm inside my storm, where I always feel safe and warm. I hold your energy tonight. Everything just feels so right. Slow wine underneath the stars, healing all my hidden scars. Stay close, don't drift away. I could love you every day. If forever had a sound, it would be the one we found.
Midnight calls and city lights, we're talking through the silent nights. Tell me things you never said, and I keep every word in my head.
No distance when you're in my space. You bring peace I can't replace. Even silence feels like home when I know I'm not alone. Your presence sweeter than a song. With you is where I belong. Every second feels brand new, just because I'm here with you.
Dance slow, don't let it end.
You're my lover and my friend. Every heartbeat says your name, burning steady like a flame. Bang, 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 bang. Bare feet on the kitchen floor. You got me wanting more. Soft touch, candlelight glow. We don't even need to know. I hold your energy tonight. Everything just feels so right. Slow wine underneath the stars, healing all my hidden scars. Stay close, don't drift away. I could love you every day. If forever had a sound, it would be the one we found. Morning breaks, but you still here.
soft rhythm in the dark. It's just love talking now. You step in and the silence changes tone, like the whole world knows you've come home. No pressure, no need to pretend. We just let the real feelings blend. Your eyes speak louder than words ever could. Pull me in deeper like I knew you would. Every moment slows down when you're near, and suddenly everything feels clear. The way you smile resets my mind, leaves every heavy thought behind. And I don't need a reason why, just you and I under the sky. No fear in the way we move, every second feels like truth. You got me open, no disguise, lost inside your paradise. Don't run from what we found tonight. It's something steady, something right. Slow dance under silver light. Hold me close, don't say goodbye. This love feels built to stay, not the kind that fades away. If you feel what I feel too, then I'm right here next to you. Midnight talks on the balcony edge, making promises we never forget. Your laughter mixes with the breeze, like it's healing every part of me. No game, no hidden lines, just two hearts sinking in time. Every touch, every breath we share feels like proof that love is there. You calm the chaos in my chest, and somehow make me feel my best. Even silence with you sounds right, like music playing through the night. Stay here when the world gets loud. We don't need a broken crowd, just your head inside of mine. We'll be fine, we'll be fine. Slow motion in the kitchen light, barefoot stepping through the night. Your shadow close against my skin, and I feel myself giving in. Don't run from what we found tonight. It's something steady, something right. Slow dance under silver light. Hold me close, don't say goodbye. This love feels built to stay, not the kind that fades away. If you feel what I feel too, then I'm right here next to you. Morning comes, but we don't break. Some things are real, yeah, they never shake. One heart, one truth, one view, and it always leads to you.
Yeah, late night, soft heat, just you, just me. We're walking like the room forgets to breathe. Everything changes naturally. Yeah, no loud words, just a quiet pull. And suddenly my heart feels full. Your eyes like gold on a city glow, moving through me in slow motion flow. Every step you take so smooth, got my whole mood following you. No distance when you stand this close. You're the feeling I want the most, and I don't even need to pretend. This kind of love don't have an end. No rush, no breaking apart, just you living inside my heart. Every second feels so real, that's the way you make me feel. It's a slow fire love we got, burning steady, never stops. Underneath the midnight sky, I just wanna stay inside. Hold me like you mean it now. Show me what this love's about. If forever had a name, it would sound just like your flame. Hey, yeah, late drive, window slightly down. Your voice is the only sound, talking dreams and future days, getting lost in your warm gaze. You calm every storm I hide, turn my chaos into pride. Even silence feels alive when you're here by my side. No perfect script, no acting role, just two hearts losing control. And every touch you leave behind stays replaying in my mind. Stay here lights, slow spinning in floor. I don't need anything more. Your breath close, my heart beat loud. We disappear from the crowd. Oh, it's a slow fire love we got, burning steady, never stops. Underneath the midnight sky, I just wanna stay inside. Hold me like you mean it now. Show me what this love's about. If forever had a name, it would sound just like your flame. Morning light on your skin, still feels like we're dreaming in. One love, one truth, one view, and it always leads to you. Yeah. Quiet night, slow rhythm. It's only us in this moment. You stepped in and the air changed tone, like the room already knew you're home. Soft lights tracing your silhouette, and I haven't recovered yet. Your smile hits like a gentle spark, lighting up every corner of my dark. No effort, it's just naturally true, the way I keep falling for you. Every second moves in slow design, like the world paused just to give us time. And I don't even need to pretend, this feeling doesn't have an end. No noise, no pressure here, only something crystal clear. You and me, it's easy to see, this is how it's meant to be. This midnight chemistry in the air, every touch says you care. Slow dancing through the night, everything just feels right. Hold me close, don't let it fade. Stay in this moment we made. If love could stay like this forever, I'd never leave you ever. Yeah, late conversations soft and low, talking places we could go. Dreams we never said aloud, now we're saying them out loud. Your presence quiets every fear, turns my chaos crystal clear. Even silence feels like song when I know where I belong. No mask, no hidden truth, just honest love breaking through. And every glance you send my way makes me wanna stay. Don't move, just stay right here, let the world disappear. One heartbeat, yours and mine, perfectly in line. City lights blur through the glass, moments we wish would always last. Your hand resting into mine, like the universe aligns. Midnight chemistry in the air, every touch says you care. Slow dancing through the night, everything just feels right. Hold me close, don't let it fade. Stay in this moment we made. If love could stay like this forever, I'd never leave you ever. Morning comes but we still glow, in a love only we know. One heart, one truth, one view, and it always leads to you. Yeah. Soft night falling, still thinking of you. Soft night falling, still thinking of you. You don't even have to speak too loud, your presence cuts right through the crowd. Every look you give my way turns my cloudy thoughts to day. The way you move it feels like time, slowing down just to make you mine. No chasing, it's already done. You're my calm, my rising sun, and I can feel you even when you're gone. Like your energy stays on and on. No matter where I go tonight, you're still
You're the reason everything feels right. No space can break what we found. Even silence has your sound. Every heartbeat pulls me through, straight back into you. There's no distance in this love we made. It only grows, it never fades. Underneath the same skylight, you're still holding me tonight. No matter where I am, it's true. My heart is always next to you. If forever had a view, you would always look like you. Midnight calls when the world is still, talking about dreams we both will build. Your voice travels through my mind like you never left behind. Every memory feels so warm. You're the peace inside my storm. Even oceans can't divide what I feel deep inside. And when I close my eyes, I see you still right here next to me. No illusion, no pretend. This love doesn't end. Stay with me across the miles. I can feel you in your smile. Nothing stronger, nothing new than the way I'm tied to you. Slow rhythm in my chest. You're the place I feel my best. No matter where this life may go, you're the only home I know. There's no distance in this love we made. It only grows, it never fades. Underneath the same skylight, you're still holding me tonight. No matter where I am, it's true. My heart is always next to you. If forever had a view, it would all